MTV Cribs, Queen's University. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is Leggett Hall, single plus. I'm a first year in Eng, and here is the crib. Here we have some closet hangers. Very good to save space, an absolute game changer. You can throw some shorts and t-shirts in there. And now, here's the closet. We got some closet cubbies in here. Got a mirror, check yourself out a little. Some shoes, you can store your push-up bars, more clothes up top here. We've got some cubbies, you can throw some cleaning supplies in there because the Cove came to town now. More cleaning supplies. Cooking utensils here you can throw in. If you want to cook like me, gotta have a pan and cooking utensils on deck. Some meal prep containers. You got some more cubbies in here. You can throw some laundry, towels, a blow dryer. Throw a blender in here in this cubby. All the stuff you want, you know. Some creatine, because every freshman in college has creatine. Little mini fridge here. This is an absolute game changer as well. You can throw in whatever you want. Here, got some little snacky snacks. Minute Rice. All right, some kids carb load on Bush Light. I carb load on Minute Rice. Some protein, oats, This is what the bed will look like. I got bed risers. Bed risers, you could, you know, throw a bunch of stuff under there. Got a stool because some of the stuff over there in the top, which I throw in, a little disorganized, but whatever. It's hard to reach, even though I'm 6'1". Still gotta use a stool. Right over here, we got some jerseys, motivational stuff. Greg Plitt, my boy Arnold.
And my boy Arnold.
What up, Arnold? And here is the desk. You know, working online, you gotta spend your time here on this desk for like 40 hours a week at least if you're an Eng. Got a monitor here in engineering. You're gonna need a monitor. We got GNC 2.0 here, just some subs and stuff. Over here, the room did not come with a shelf. I got a shelf just to save some more space and stock some stuff up. Over here, shelf where you can put some more stuff on here. Over here, I don't know what these are called. These are really good if you want to save some space. Put some textbooks up on here. Throw whatever you want on here. Got printer on this little stand. This stand did not come with the room as well. A printer is really beneficial. You can just print out some notes or whatever it is you need right at your fingertips. Right over here, dresser. You can throw all your clothes in there as well. Really handy. So let's go to the washroom now. In a single plus washroom in Leggett Hall, you will share with a canmate. It's really nice because you don't have to share a communal washroom with like 5 other people. Come in here, let's see. You got some mirrors. They open up, throw all your skincare supplies, toiletries in there, you know, cleanser, moisturizer, all that good stuff. Also, got these. You can throw your towels on there as well as there. We got some lighting over there. So all that good stuff. Shower, absolute game changer with the mat, or else the water will leak onto your floor. So you gotta get a mat if you're in Leggett or Watts, if you're a Queen student watching this and you just get there next year. That is that little quick rundown of the room. Also, these things, these are sticky hooks or whatever. They didn't come with the room. I don't know how much they are or whatever, probably cheap, but you stick these onto anything and You can save some space as well because you know we're crammed in this little room. You gotta maximize all the space. Another thing is, guys, like this is my last day on res. I'm moving out, unfortunately, just because personal reasons. And the Cove came to town with lockdown here in Ontario. I thought that'd be better just to, you know, stay home and study there. When you walk into your room, this is what a single plus will look like if you're at Leggett or at Watts. Beautiful little small single plus room. Yeah, that'll be the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. We gotta get some more Queens content out for next year. But yeah, subscribe before the content comes out. Let's go, baby.